10 News Weather Authority from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw. A little bit more heavy rain tonight, but that's going to be wrapping up here within the next couple of hours or so. Flood potential is certainly going to be within the cards for the foreseeable future as long as this rainy pattern continues, which appears at the moment to be at least the next 7 to 10 days. Overall, right now, you can see where we had quite a bit of heavy rainfall further down towards Mount Airy and along the Virginia-North Carolina border. Flash flood warning was actually issued down there for parts of Patrick County, including that Mount Airy area further to the south. But overall, the lingering rainfall there, as well as the rainfall we've seen further to the east, has just led to a mess of a flooding situation here throughout the Commonwealth and throughout the Mid-Atlantic. As for what we're going to see as we go into tomorrow, let's time it out for you. Again, maybe a few stray showers overnight tonight, but nothing crazy. But we go to the 2 p.m. hour tomorrow, and that's when we're going to start seeing our next line of showers and thunderstorms forming along the I-81 corridor. Now, a lot of these storms tomorrow look likely to form further up to the north in the Highlands area before we go into the overnight hours and see more rainfall develop overnight Wednesday night into Thursday. Thursday, more so, this threat shifts further to the south once more, down towards south side, the Roanoke Valley, and the Lynchburg areas. And the way we're going to start seeing cloud cover clear a little bit Friday morning could mean we see a little bit more development and more rumbles of thunder if we have more energy within the atmosphere. Low temperatures for tonight: Roanoke about 72 degrees, Blacksburg 68, Lynchburg 72, South Boston 71. And we're going to be overall in this pattern that's pretty seasonable from a temperature standpoint, but the rain is just going to continue for the foreseeable future. Highs tomorrow in the 90s and 80s for the Roanoke Valley. Then we go further to the east, a little bit cooler actually in the Lynchburg zone, given the ample cloud cover and rainfall we could end up seeing. Further to the south and south side, all the way from Martinsville into South Boston, temperatures in the 80s, Danville about 90, Charlotte Courthouse area about 89. New River Valley, tad bit cooler as what we usually see for this time of year. Could see a few isolated showers, but I think the New River Valley probably has the lowest likelihood of any kind of significant rainfall between our 5 zones. But then we turn our attention further to the north up towards the Highlands zone. Lexington about 89 degrees, Newcastle at 90, getting up into the mid to upper 80s in other parts of the region, including the West Virginia area and along the Appalachian Trail and the Appalachian Mountains just in general. But the rainfall going to be the big thing for the foreseeable future. The other big thing right now in the world of weather is what's going on further to the south. Watching our next potential tropical system as another wave is heading into the parts of the Gulf. Now, this system has a 40% chance of development here over the next 2 days and the next 7 days, just given the fact that there's so much moisture in that area. And that combined with warm Gulf waters will lead to what we could see development of a tropical system. The next tropical name on our list for this year is Dexter. And it's the first time that's been a name for a storm, actually. But overall, still low likelihood of that forming. But as for us, the next 7 days, nothing but rainfall with temperatures in the 80s and 90s.